Hi everyone, welcome back with the last Sudoku. This is a Tectonic Sudoku. In today's newspaper, in the additional of Monday the 22nd of June 2020. Yes. And the first question is, if we start, yes, let's get started. Alright, let's get started with this tectonic. The first question is, can you see here a single box? I do not see any single boxes. Do we have dual boxes? Yes. See here, dual box. Triple box. Single box here. Yes, the single box should be a 1. Alright. That means these two boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. These two boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. One box left for the 1 should be there. Then this box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 5. One box left for the 5 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. One box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. One box left for the 3 should be there. The 2 and the 4 are left. 2 and the 4, I marked them. 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. Yeah. These 3 boxes, the missing numbers are the 1, 2, and the 5. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. The 2 and the 5 goes there. If I place the 5 here, then I cannot place any 5 in those 2 boxes. I see here we have also a 5, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So I cannot place any 5 in these 4 boxes. So here cannot be a 5. This should be the 5 and this should be the 2. That means the 2, I cannot place any 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. The 5, we have a 5 here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. The 5 should be here or there. Then we have a 1 here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. We have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so the 3, and this box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. I think this box should be a 5, because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. So this should be a 5. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here or could be there. I think this box cannot be a 2 because I have here a triple box. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be there. 2. Alright. We have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1. This could be a 1 or that box could be a 1. This box cannot be a 2. So we have a pair of the 1 and the 2 here. This should be the 3. That means this box, these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. I cannot place a 1 here because otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. So the 1 should be here. 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5 are left. 4 and the 5, here also the 4 and the 5. 3, we have a box of 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3, the 3 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left should be the 4. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes here in these 2 boxes here. Same with the 4, 2 and the 4. That means 1 box left for the 1. Alright. So the 1 cannot be here, we have a 1 here. 1 cannot be here also, we have a 1 there. So the 1 could be here or could be there. These 4 boxes, 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left for the numbers 3 and 4. Alright, 3 and 4. How about this area, this area? These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. I've marked 1 box with the 1. So this box should be the 1, the 2 and the 4 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes in there. We have a 5 here, that means these 4 boxes surround the 5. Cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. We have a 2 here, that means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here or there. If I place the 2 here, that means I cannot place any 2 in one of those 3 boxes. So the 2 goes there, but I see here already a 2, so no 2 there. So this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2. We have a 3 here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. The 3 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1 and this should be the 4. Yeah. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. If I place a 4 here, then I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this cannot be a 4. The 4 should be here. The other 2 numbers, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box cannot be a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Then this box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. So it's definitely a 1, 2 and the 4 are left. I cannot place a 2 here. This is a duo box, 1 and a 2. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here. The 4 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, but also these two boxes cannot be a 1. So we have a pair here, the 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2, and these two boxes also 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. These two boxes should be the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 here. So this cannot be a 3, this should be the 3, this should be the 4. We have a 3 now, so this cannot be a 3. This should be the 3 and this should be the 4. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 2 and this should be the 1. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1 and this should be the 2. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3. This should be the 3. Two numbers left, the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 2 and this should be the 1. 4 and a 5 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. It's almost a chain reaction, yes. 1 and the 4 are left. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. We have a 4 now, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 2 and this should be the 4. We have a 4 now, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 2 and this should be the 4. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3, and that box cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 3, that box cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. I've marked 1 box with the 2, should be here. The other box should be the 5. 4 boxes left. The 2, 3, these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes here or there. I have marked these 2 boxes with the 5, but I see now we have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. The 3 cannot be here, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 2 cannot be there, so the 2 should be there, and the 1 box left for the 4. Finished in 12 minutes. Wow, one of the fastest Tectonic I have made. 12 minutes. I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you like or if you want, and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Yeah, thank you again. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. Bye bye, and see you next time.